If you want to multitask more efficiently while browsing, Opera GX has a built-in feature called Split Screen that lets you view two websites side by side in the same window. Before you can use it, you first need to make sure the feature is enabled in Settings. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Split Screen in Opera GX. Let's get started. First, open Opera GX on your computer. Now click the Opera GX logo in the top left corner of the browser window. From the menu, select Settings or press Alt+P to open it instantly. Once you're inside Settings, use the search bar at the top and type Split Screen. You should see an option called Enable Split Screen. Turn this toggle on. Once enabled, the split screen feature becomes available in your browser. Now you can use it. Open two tabs that you want to view side by side. Either select both of them with Control plus left click, then right-click one of the tabs and select Split Screen, or drag and drop one tab onto the side of another tab. The two tabs will instantly appear next to each other in the same window. You can adjust the divider in the middle to resize each side depending on your preference. This is especially useful for comparing information, watching videos while working, or keeping notes open next to a web page. To exit split screen mode, simply close one side or return the tabs to normal view. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and used split screen in Opera GX. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Opera GX tutorials, productivity tips, gaming browser features, and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.